is garbage. Oh, that's a score. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I resell items that I find at thrift stores and at stores such as TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Nordstrom Rack, wherever I can find a good deal that I can flip. So this is how I supplement my income. Today I'm doing a rescue box unboxing. If you are not aware, there is a website called thredup and they sell used clothing, and you send your items. If they don't accept it for some reason, because there is a flaw, because it's missing a size, they put it in these rescue boxes. I usually go on thredup, and whenever they have some boxes available, I like to purchase their men's box and their shoes box. This is my second time buying their shoe boxes. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a recap of my previous box that I bought back in December. So 3 months ago, I want to tell you how many things sold and how much they sold for. Today, I have a collab video. I'm doing a collab with Michelle. Michelle also has a YouTube channel. She's a lot of fun to watch. She's a reseller in South Carolina and she's famous. She was in one of the seasons of Top Chef. So please go and follow her and watch her unboxing and tell us which box do you think it was the best one. Michelle has been reselling for over 1 year, and the fun fact is we have something in common. She dates a Russian guy, and my husband is also Russian, so I found that interesting that we have that in common. So please go and check her out. And if you're here from Michelle's YouTube channel, thank you so much for coming and watching my videos. I hope you like it, and I hope you subscribe and stay for future videos. So let's see what I got in my thredup rescue box. So the box costs $90, free shipping, and it's supposed to come with 15 pairs of shoes. So the cost of goods should be $6 per pair. But the way I calculate my cost of goods is I'm going to see how many pairs of shoes are actually worth listing, and then I'm going to calculate my cost of goods. I hope the pair is here. It is right here. So the first one, oh, that's not very good. It's a brand that I never pick up at the thrift stores. They usually have very good quality shoes, but they don't have a strong resale value. It's a Franco Sarto. It's a good style for summer, I think, but it has a big flaw right here. You can see that. I don't know, maybe I can cut the pieces or maybe glue down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna resell this pair. Second pair is another brand that I don't normally pick up. I think I've only picked up one pair of boots ever, and it was because it was in excellent condition and it was only $1. But it's 9 West. Again, it's I think I'm gonna list this because it's in very decent shape. It's a popular style. People like these kind of pumps with a wedge heel because they're more comfortable, and they are size 7.5. This is garbage. Gosh, you can see if there was ever a brand. Yeah, there is a brand here in the soles, but you can see that somebody wore it so much that it created a little bit of a wear right here, almost. Yeah, this is in really bad shape. You can see the leather here. It's not, I don't think it's even leather. It doesn't feel like it. But yeah, this is totally garbage. I don't think I can even donate this. We are not, I don't like this box so far. I don't know the brand. All Black? Is this a good brand? It's leather. I like the style. It's kind of a snake leather. It's actually real leather. You can see here. That's a sign for leather. But I don't know the brand. It's in decent shape. The toes are okay. I don't know how much I can get for that. size 38, which is 7.5 to 8. Man, okay, another 9 West, again in decent shape, but I find I don't like picking up heels too much because they usually sit, and these are very much party heels. Maybe somebody going to prom would wear this. It's actually really nice, it's beautiful, but I feel like this is gonna sit for a while. The other one, it's really decent shape, but I'm gonna list this as well. This is a size 6. My least favorite size to resell is a size 6. These are Clarks. Where is the pair? Clarks do well. Clarks Indigo. I don't know if this is a good line of Clarks or not, but in decent shape as well. So far this box has been okay, nothing amazing, but brands that I can sell and at least make my money back. Oh, these are cute. These are Vans. A good thing about picking up these boxes is you might usually pick up things that you have never tried before, and I actually never picked up Vans before, and I got a pair of Vans in my last box and it sold very quickly, so I started picking up Vans. It's a brand that I know that sells fast, and I love the print. It's a cherry print. It's a women's size 8.5, men's size 7. See, in very decent shape. Just a little bit dingy in the insoles. Yeah, I like that. I think I can sell them for at least $25. Pair of boots here. Oh, that's a score. These are Rag & Bone boots. I like it. There is a little bit of wear right here, you can see, but nothing major. These are so soft. What size are they? They're size 39.5. Rag & Bone boots used to do much better for me. They have been sitting, but I can sell these for at least $80. It has some wear here on the toes. It's a very good size, so I like that. Then I got another pair of Vans in very good shape as well. I get excited when I find things that I know I can flip fast. These are size women's 6.5. I don't know how fast they're gonna flip just because they're a smaller size, but I much rather pick up something that I know I can flip for $20 in a week than picking up something that I can flip for $50 in 6 months. I love fast flips. I get more excited when I get something that I know will flip fast. Alfani, a brand I would not pick up, but this is in very good shape, and I feel like wedge heels do well for me, so I'm going to list this myself. If I don't list this myself, I can always take it to a consignment store. Where's the size? Only if there is a size. I don't see the size anywhere. Maybe I won't sell this myself. I'm going to try them on and see if I can determine the size, because I don't see the size absolutely anywhere. Then I got this very high, oh my gosh, this is so high, pair of Steve Madden shoes. I like selling Steve Madden, but I don't normally pick up pumps just because they tend to sit for me. Yeah, I don't know how fast this will flip. Probably is gonna take a long time, but it's in okay shape. It has a flaw right here, a little scuff right here. Yeah, I'm going to try to sell this myself as well. Another pair of pumps. These are Calvin Klein with the platform here. It's very high as well. Probably the same person donated them. Where's the size? Please don't tell me none of these shoes have sizes. It has something here, but it's rubbed off. Oh no, the size is kind of rubbed off. Okay, I'm gonna have to try them on as well. Then these Yossi Samra flip-flops. They smell good. Don't know the brand. Have you ever heard of this brand? It's just a pair of, they're not jelly, they're kind of leather. Neon, it's okay, good for summer, size 7. They're cushioned, so good. And a pair of Lulus. Oh, these are very cute. I love the round heel, very interesting, good shape. They don't feel like real leather. Yes, all man-made materials, size 8. But I feel this is a very neutral, staple pair of shoes. I think I can get $15 to $20 since they are not real leather. And I have one last pair. Okay. One of my favorite brands of shoes to resell, Lucky brand. I usually can get $35 to $45 for them. These are in excellent shape. The suede has no, maybe I'm lying. It has a little bit of a dinginess here. Very light marks there. These are in very good condition. You can see the heels don't have anywhere, no dents, nothing like that. There's something written here in the bottom, but I cannot even make out what it is. These are great size 8.5. Yes, I like that as well. So what do you guys think? I think this is a very good box. Maybe I won't list 3 to 4 pairs. One of them I know for sure I'm not gonna list because it's damaged, but I have to see if these other pairs here that are in okay condition are worth listing. I'm gonna look up comps and see if I can get between $15 and $20 for them. If I can't, it's not worth my time. But I have some good pairs that I was excited about. I love that I got 2 pairs of Vans, that I got the Lucky brand boots and the Rag & Bone boots. I can definitely double my money, I think. And I didn't leave my house to source. Now I'm gonna tell you how my last box performed. If you didn't watch my shoe rescue box unboxing from thredup, I'm gonna link it up here so you can watch it and so you can see what I got in that box. And I'm going to show you things that I sold from that box. I got that box in December of last year. From the 15 pairs, I listed 11 pairs. So my cost of goods came down to $8.18. And from the 11 pairs, I have sold 3 pairs so far. I have sold a pair of Vans for $24.99. And that was the very first pair that sold. And my earnings from that pair was $21.27. I sold that pair on eBay. Then on Mercari, I sold the Sam Edelman boots for $38.02. And on Poshmark, I sold the Urban Outfitter Muse for $25 and my earnings were $20. So from the $90 that I spent on that box, I recouped $79.29 and I have 8 pairs left to sell. So I'm definitely gonna make a profit on that box. I plan to do the same thing with this box. In about 2 to 3 months, I plan on doing a recap video on what sold from this box. If you like this idea and if you like videos like that, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to leave in the comments which box do you think it was the best one, my box or Michelle's box. Excited about, I'm gonna keep Rag & Bone boots. I'm gonna try to wear